Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a touchscreen test on your Samsung A17. So if you have any problems with your touchscreen and want to test if they are physical, then you can go to the phone app. I know it sounds weird, but trust me. Go to keypad, then type in *O**#. If it doesn't open this, what you see right here, I'm gonna go back. You should actually go to settings and disable auto blocker. To do it, go to security and privacy, then scroll down until you find auto blocker. Click on it, make sure it's disabled. You can see I can enable it, then disable it, enter my PIN, and now I should be able to go to the phone app, dial *# or *#, and now select touch. Now I'm gonna lower the brightness of the camera I'm recording with so you can see there are what is being shown here on the display. Now you can test your touchscreen. You can see first of all if the lines are in correct places, like where you touch, if it is displaying correctly. And also you can test whether I forgot what I wanted to tell you. Whether the lines are actually, full, if they don't have any holes and stuff like that. Now you can also do go around these segments, just touch around them. This is, a helper for you, so you know where to touch to actually test your whole screen. And if everything here is green and then it's passed, right? And it goes back. Now if you can't pass it, then you just need to lock the screen. Well, you can't, okay. I just wanted to demonstrate how you can exit out of that, but you can't. So let's try pressing and holding. Okay, didn't help. So we should just force shut down our phone. If you can't pass this test, then force shut it down by pressing and holding on power and volume down. Then you can see this, or you could have kept on pressing and holding just until it turns off the screen, but I'm just gonna click on restart and click on that again. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.